Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting the environment so zooming responds predictably. Open Preferences or Settings and confirm the key map supports Control or CMD plus mouse wheel. This gives fast, continuous zoom. Next, enable Editor General Change font size with Control plus mouse wheel. Once done, make sure distraction-free mode is off or on depending on focus needs. It affects visible UI scale. This first step ensures your editor reacts when you perform the actual zoom gestures, rather than fighting default mappings. You now adjust actual sizes. Open Editor Font and change the font size for immediate code zoom. Then go to Appearance Advanced Settings and tweak the IDE font and UI scale. This adjusts tool windows and menus so nothing looks out of proportion. For high DPI screens, change the scale factor to a fractional value like 1, 25 or 1.5. This balances clarity and density. Once done, restart Android Studio to apply persistent UI scaling. Make sure to save projects first so nothing is lost. You finish by testing zoom interactions. Try Control/CMD plus mouse wheel in the editor and use View Appearance Enter Presentation mode when you need maximal scale. If sizes remain inconsistent, reset the IDE settings to defaults or revert specific custom key maps. This resolves most conflicts. Once done, verify plugins aren't intercepting shortcuts and update your display drivers for correct DPI handling. If problems persist, restart with invalid caches cleared. That often fixes stubborn rendering or scaling glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.